Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and we back today with another unboxing. This time is a little different. It's my first pickup from Stockx, man. I finally decided to buy a pair of sneakers off Stockx. It's some OG joints, so great price. Had to pick them up. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel, and also hit that like button if you like the content that we bring into this channel. Be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at the same handle, PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And if you like some of this Penny for Your Thoughts merch that we have, that I wear in all these videos, and that's on our Instagram page, you guys can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. I know y'all tired of me talking. Let's get to this shoe. Here you guys go. Sheed low, red pan leather. You guys can see has that Stockx tag on it. Meaning that it was verified. I went and got it verified myself and also checked it out myself. I have a lot of Air Force Ones. These are authentic and as real as they come. As you can see, there's an extra white shoestrings on them. A lot of Nike Air Force used to come with extra shoestrings on them. So let's get into it, man. As you can see, pan leather around the whole shoe, red pan leather around the whole shoe, looking real clean and fresh, man. Like when I see OG sneakers like this, I tend to try to get my hands on them because 9 times out of 10, you're not gonna run into stuff like this anymore, man. Especially in desktop condition. A lot of people may have this shoe in their collection, but it may not be as fresh as this one. So, when I see stuff like this, I like to pick them up, man. I love Air Force Ones. I love Air Max Ones. Two of my favorite shoes. So when I run into those shoes, man, I feel like I have to get my hands on them. And when I seen these on Stockx, man, I put a bid in on them and I won, man. I paid $140. Can't go wrong with these, man. These came all the way from London. The dude, whoever it was that was selling the shoe, they took the bid on Thursday. I got the shoe Friday, which was the next day, and it was coming from overseas, from London. So that was great customer service from Stockx. Did a great job. I got the shoe immediately, and I figure I'll do this video and show you guys what I picked up, my first official buy from Stockx, man. Let me know if I made a good decision, but I think I did, man. I love Air Force Ones, man. This is just clean, man. Straight to the point. It's a very pristine shoe. In great condition, man. You can't go wrong, man. But leave in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this shoe. If you guys think the shoe is trash, leave in the comments below. Man, if you think it's a good shoe, leave in the comments below. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button also, man. Smash that like button down, man. Let's try to get this video to 500 views and 40 likes, man. I have another shoe coming in today or either tomorrow. So as soon as I get that shoe in my hand, I'll do a video, get that out to you guys, man. So look forward to another video coming out this week. And I also have a special interview coming up, man, that I actually did inside of a sneaker store. So that's coming too, man. So be on the lookout for all the new stuff that we have coming. And don't forget about the merch, man. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.